Good morning guys and welcome to today's vlog. So basically I haven't properly vlogged since before Christmas and I honestly miss it because I feel like vlogging is such a good way to like track your life process, progress or whatever. So today is the 25th of January, it is Thursday. I am back to college on Monday. I was working yesterday, so I'm just kind of trying to find things to do for myself today. So basically today's plan is to, number 1, plan a video. Number 2, record a video. Number 3, edit a vlog for Sunday. And number 4, fix my CV and start applying for internships. So there's my 4 things I need to do today. I'm looking V-basic because I literally just got a shower and stuff and it's like it's 20 past 11. I've been awake since like 8:30, but I was just kind of chilling this morning, so I have the rest of the day to get all my bits done, and yeah. So obviously I'm just going to be recording videos today, but I want to make myself look half presentable because I don't know, I just still feel like my eyebrows are my eyebrows from yesterday, so I'm going to take those off and then start again on the eyebrows. And every time I go to record a video I'm like, oh, I'm not going to wear foundation today, like I'm just going to have my actual skin on show, and then I go to record it and I have like purple bags underneath my eyes, my nose is red, so yeah, I'm gonna put on makeup. Okay, so basically I'm going to use some new products today and let you know what I think. Hi guys, so I know I was kind of doing my makeup on camera and then I stopped. Why is there like a shine? I obviously have no lips, so I'm gonna put on this. I haven't opened this yet, like I got this for Christmas off Santi, so yeah, this is my first impression of a Kylie lip kit. Like I've tried her lip kits before, like one because Ruth has one, but this is my first time with my own. God, I have no lips, it's so depressing. Here it is. It's quite dark, but I like it. A lot of people give out about the scent of these, but I actually love it. I think it's really nice. And like I have a load of ColourPop products and I know people always say, oh my god, they're the exact same. They're not. Like even like I know the smell, like the scent is obviously just something you add to it, but like even for the creaminess, like this is so much creamier, so I don't know. This is actually another thing that I got for Christmas. So I got the lip kit and then I also got the ColourPop Cute AF palette, which I'm obsessed with. I actually haven't used it yet, but these are the shades V like autumn into spring. So they have like the dark burgundy ones and then they have the really light ones for like springtime. So I think I might put some of that on now, even though like I'm finished my makeup. I kind of want to add a couple little bits of colour and test this out. Okay. So makeup is done. I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair. I might just put like a few curls through it, like just wavy. Okay, so I'm ready to record. Well, I don't know what I'm recording at all. No, I just didn't know they're going to be blue. It looks so weird.
I know, doesn't it? So, they're lower down because these teeth need to
go up or pull down.
If you fall down.
Oh god, rotten.
It's not, it doesn't sort of hurt.
Isn't it?
No.
Why isn't it sore? I suppose you've gone through worse.
How do you open my mouth?
Oh, yeah. Do you want to vlog? Do you want to tell them what you got done?
Change first. Hello, vlog.
Okay. In today's episode of Living with Braces, Ruth tries to tackle a sandwich. What? I just got scone and tea, the usual. Hi guys, by the way, I never actually introduced today's.
By your mother.
Yeah, mommy bought it for me. Hi guys, it's the time to not be focused, apparently. It's the 26th of January. I'm just like editing my January vlog because it's gonna have to be just like one big month vlog because I don't have space to do like weekly ones or whatever. And I have another video that's ready to go up. It's like, what's it called? Oh, it's just about being selfish and confident and learning how to do all those things. And I'm gonna re-record it because like I'm not happy with it, and like it's edited and it's uploaded onto YouTube, but I'm just gonna take out my footage and like put in new footage, so hopefully that's okay. So yeah, I'm working all weekend. I'm working like 10 to 8 on Sunday, so that's a long day, but I'm excited just to like be back into like a semi-normal routine after like the month of January like was all over the place. Hi guys, look who I'm with!
Hey!
Look what we're watching, Drag Race. First time Drag Race being on telly.
Favorite show ever.
Isn't it so strange?
Actually, it's really strange. It actually is. It should just be on Netflix. Like, it seems right.
Visage?
Like, this was one of the team choices for InterVarsity.
Yes. Sure, it's like a pop culture thing. Place your inhibitions, feel the rain on your skin, knowing yourself and what's still unwritten. Yeah.
I'm waiting for the van to come.
You can't see him. Sorry, this vlog has been so boring, but I've just been studying and trying to like analyze the likelihood of questions coming up, and look what I'm using.
The next day.
Hi guys, I haven't vlogged in the longest time because I've just basically been studying for my exams, and then today I was like I should get out of the house, and my mommy was like, oh I'm going into town, do you want to go with me? And I was like yeah sure. We have a few errands to run. We have to get Abigail a copy, and then we have to bring back Abigail's parcel from ASOS, and then we also have to go to the bottle bank because Abigail asked us to do that as well. So
And the actual bank.
And the actual bank. So yeah, that's the crack. So yeah, that's all really. I'm wearing new shoes today. They're actually Timberlands, and I really like them, but I feel like my sisters aren't really huge fans. So I'm like, I don't know if they're even nice. Maybe I think they're nice because I just like the lemme runners. Because in a way, runners, a certain style were kind of like not in fashion a couple of years ago, and then they came back into fashion. I'm like, am I after buying runners that aren't in fashion still? So this is basically them. They're like a khaki green, and this part is like really soft, and they're so light. They're literally like the lightest shoe like I've ever owned, and I just got them for work, but then I kind of like them. I don't even know if I want to wear them at work, but yeah, I got them online and they were only €50. And no, I didn't get I didn't get a staff discount, so I just bought them online. So they're here.
The next day.
So this is just my bowl of fruit, a nectarine, strawberries, and some bananas.
Yo.
Hey, so it is currently 10 to 3, and I have to go in there at like around 15 minutes beforehand. So around like 3:15. Yeah. And yeah, I'm kind of nervous, but honestly like I don't think I'm really even that nervous for this exam. It's more so the exams that are coming after this one, because I honestly studied the most for this exam. I did loads. That car is still driving around. Podgy's just gonna stay here and not in the car. I think he's gonna go
Go to the library probably.
He's gonna go library and do some work on his secret project for 2018.
The next day.
Basically today is my second exam, so I'm just getting ready, doing some last minute study, and then I think we're going at around 10ish. It's now 8:45, so yeah, fun times. Hi guys, I'm just going over my notes last minute. I'm in a tie, so I'm like, I hope no one sees me. So basically, I'm trying to learn Virginia Woolf and her novel Mrs. Dalloway, and how that impacted the modernist movement and how that was modernist in technique and form and content, etc, etc. Lol, I make my mom come to drop me to college and then she has to get coffee. Oh my god, I'm literally lolling. Benji's harness just flew off him and then like he was like a naked dog. Benji didn't know how to like control him. It was hilarious.
Pulled it straight over his head.
I know, he was digging in, like I think he kind of half knew.
That's the first time he's ever stepped over.
Here, take this. Oh, it's the thing. We go outside.
The next day.
Hi guys, look who I'm back with in the car. It's mommy.
We're not all the time in the car.
Yeah, I feel like I only ever pick up this camera when I'm in the car, because like lately I haven't been doing anything except for like exams, and now exams are finally over, so I'm back in my rightful position in this car.
Oh, she's got to clean the house today.
Doing things with mommy. So yeah, that's all really. I don't even have anything to update. My exams are over, thank god, and I'm not back to work until Sunday. So this evening I'm going to Ikea because Podgy needs to get new bits for his like new room, his bigger room. It's like new room in college, so hopefully that will go well. And yeah, I just love Ikea, so I'm excited to go there. Guys, it's full on snowing. See? Can you see that? He said, "Hey sister, it's really nice to meet ya. I just met a 5'7" guy who's just my type." Hey guys, and welcome back to semi-normal vlogs. So basically finished all my exams, had a few days break, and now it's time to get back to normality and document my boring day-to-day life. So right now I am tidying my room, putting away all my clothes because I'm going to Ikea today, and yeah, that's all really. My room is so cold right now because the last couple of days it's been freezing here in Ireland, and it's been like snowing, and if you look in the distance there's still snow on the hills which aren't even that far away from me. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I hate when my mother bangs on the ceiling to tell me when I'm studying. It just drives me mad. Where are we going?
Ikea!
Okay, we're nearly in Ikea. Buzzing. We have to get little bits, don't we?
Little bits.
Yeah, so basically, as I said earlier in the vlog, Podgy's moving into like a new room in college, so he wants to make it look nice. Oh Jesus. I think it's gonna stay. So we have, yeah, the corner will be the test. We have a few we have a few bits saved, that what we want to get, and yeah. Okay, so this is what we got so far. Chocolate molds, chopping board, and candles. I'm excited to get my other bits. Woo! Okay, so we have like everything that we need to get, like, except for, why isn't this focused? Okay, yeah, so we have everything except for the drawers. So Podgy got his little trolley, so we're gonna go get them now, and I can't wait to show you guys like what I actually got for the playroom, because it's gonna look so cute after this, isn't it?
It is, very cute.
Go. He is a child. He asked me to record this and everything. God. Okay, so we got all of our bits, thank god. I got so many things for the playroom. It basically all came to, I don't know why I'm saying basically, because it did. It came to €215 what I got, and then Podgy's came to 50. I was honestly amazed though that my things actually came to only 215, because like I bought 23 bits altogether. So there's a little sneak peek at some of the things. I'm really looking forward to like just doing up this room and getting a bit more organized and having a nice warm space to just study, edit, do my things in there. And same with Ruth, like Ruth's doing all of her study in there and she's doing her duty right now, so I think it's really nice to make a nice environment for that room. So yeah, we're now going to go to our little fave Japanese restaurant.
Oh, people are gonna hate me.
Yeah, literally.
Move up, please. Move
This is
up.
so stressful.
The next day.
I'm the definition of make something pretty and I will want it. Hi guys, so I'm in Portlaoise with Mommy and I'm not messing. I've like the worst period pains in the history of period pain. Well, maybe not the worst, but like I feel like I'm actually going to fall down with the pain. There's Mommy. I just tweeted that if someone knocked me out right now, I would probably thank them. Like my back is in bits, my tummy's in bits, I keep getting hot flushes, it's just horrendous. And I know like I'm not the only person who goes through this, but I'm still going to complain because it's killing me right now. And I'm after taking 2 painkillers just there now, so hopefully they kick in, but I'm in bits. So I just made Mom, I'm gonna bring it over here to the light, an unreal lunch. So this is a bagel, there's smoky cheese, peppers, rocket, sun-dried tomatoes. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so I got like a full delivery of ASOS stuff yesterday and I'm bringing back most of it. So they're going back. I'm keeping this top. It's like a crop top and it has like a bow kind of effect on the front. I'll show you that there. That's really cute. I picked up this little bag because my other bags that I wear on nights out are like my Coach one and my DKNY one. And I don't really want to get them like ruined or whatever, but it's like this. It's grey. I think I want to keep it. I'm actually not sure. I got these fab earrings. They're like big hoops, but they're in the shape of stars. I was so sure from the picture they were silver, but they're like a gold, so okay, that's fine. Then I also picked up this bikini top, but I bought it as a top, so it's just like a bandeau thing, but it actually looks like a vest. Then I picked up my favorite kind of products. I bought this tan. It's the like one that you put on the mitt. I got this moisturizing face tan. I used the body version of this, so like, oh, I'll get the face one, even though there's probably no difference. And then I also picked up my favorite shampoo, which is Yes 2 Carrots Dry Scalp, and I also got the conditioner, and I also got a Yes 2 body scrub, which is fab. It's a sugar body scrub. Then I also got this swimming togs because like I was like, oh, I should get new swimming togs for some reason. And that was all.
The next day.
And dumped in the sea so that it could conveniently fit in with.
I should know, because I was looking at it, like when you said the name, it's like, is that a big deal? I can see somebody. We're going paddling with him.
So I'm in the middle of recording.
Okay.
The next day.
Something about the sweater. It's such a big company, not one person with smart.
Hi guys, so I just filmed my first like sit down video in like the longest time. It was my 2018 goals list. I know it's probably a bit late coming, but be grand. I have it here, so hopefully I'm going to edit that soon and have it up for you guys ASAP because it's actually quite a good video. I'm loving my look right now. I never wear red lipstick, but it looks nice. My outfit's just be plain, you know, nothing to say really. I'm just watching Riverdale now.
I can't be